Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. I am here with another food haul. You guys love my food hauls, and why not share them? Because most of the time I'm going to be showing cooking tips and sharing how to cook certain things. So why not show you the type of things that I buy throughout the weeks for my family and our grocery shopping and stuff like that before we prepare our menus and stuff. So I'm going to start from, I have a little bit from Aldi's and wait. Hold on. I think only a couple of things is from Dollar Tree, and that would be this Italian dressing. And we have the Italian dressing, and we have these cream things I wanted to try. Tom is here, so you know when you have that sweet tooth around that time. I think that is it, guys. Everything else is from Aldi's. And we're going to pull this back some so you can see. I have two bags of broccoli florets. And I love their broccoli florets. I love Aldi's, period. Like, they have a lot of great deals on food. I realize that these pickles are a little bit bigger than the ones I get from Dollar Tree. These are $1.19 versus $1 from the ones I get at Dollar Tree. And they're regular kosher dill pickles. We have some ham and some turkey from RIZZY'S lunchbox. I needed some creamer for my coffee or for my tea. And I have some ketchup. This is a big thing of ketchup. And this was like $1.60. And then I have some spicy brown mustard. As you know, because I relocated and I moved, a lot of the condiments I couldn't bring with me. And, you know, stuff was in storage for a little while. So because of that, I had to get a lot of everything all over again. Because you know I usually buy this stuff in bulk, and they do have Sam's here, so that's a great thing. So I'll be going back to Sam's, starting to go shopping there. But since we just got here, I want to start, you know, I want to get food in the refrigerator and stuff for the girls for school and stuff like that. So that's why I have been going to the stores grabbing things that we need. Like right now, we love salsa with dip. I like to put my plant-based cream cheese with this. It is so good. Or sour cream. It's awesome with some tortillas. And we have some sharp cheddar for Rizzy. She likes to do meat and cheese rolls. She don't really like bread like that. And we all love, love, love hash browns. And then I have some Parmesan. They like to put that on there. Alfredo and spaghetti. Anything Italian, they like to put that on. I have some skinless salmon. And then I have some Kettle jalapeno chips. And these are so freaking good. It's like when you eat one, you can't stop eating them. These are the tortilla rounds that we will eat with the salsa. And Rizzy and I love these. Well, we all love these chocolate chip muffins. Just something to have if we want something sweet around. And I got some Parmesan cheese. I may stick a little bit of that in my one of my meals that I'm going to be making. Like I told you, I don't eat dairy. If I do, it's maybe once or twice a week. And I got some bananas because Rizzy do like bananas. I didn't buy many of them. And I got the extra cheesy two of them. They were $1.50 at Aldi's. And then I got the Aldi's versions of Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. The girls love bacon, so I got them some bacon. And I got some pancake mix. Guys, I am missing some boxes. Like, some of my stuff did not come. And I had a big thing of pancake mix from Sam's. And, I mean, it wasn't full, but it still had a lot in it. And I don't know what happened to it. We cannot find it. And I had a thing that I used to put my eggs in my refrigerator. Like a acrylic container that I would just pile up eggs in it. And it would hold like 2 dozen eggs. And yeah, I can't find that either. So I have 2 dozen eggs, and these were on sale at Aldi. So yeah, this is what I got. Let me hold on one second. So yeah, this was a quick haul. This is all the stuff I got from Aldi's, and Naya is getting ready to put this up. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions about anything that I bought, please leave it below, and I'll be sure to respond back to you. I love you guys, and I will see you guys later, Gators.